In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition wire on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located on the motor and accessed through the interior of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 bolts for the trim piece. Pull the trim piece straight out and remove it. We have 2 more 10mm bolts on the driver's side. One's going to be right here. Ours is missing. And 1 more in the corner right here. Pull the panel straight forward, popping all the clips, and remove it. We have a handle on either side of our door. We're going to lift up on this and pull the latch off. Do this on either side. In your center console, we're going to drop the lid. Pull this rubber piece forward over the latch and remove the tray. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts. Remove the center console cup holder. We have 2 more latches we have to undo. We're going to slide this rear engine cover back. If you want to fully remove this cover, you can take a seat out. We do not need to fully remove it. You'll just have to articulate it to one side or the other, depending on which side of the motor you need to be on. We're going to remove our ignition wire from our ignition coil. Pull straight down. We're going to remove it off of our spark plug. We have to pull it straight off. We need to move our heat shield from our old ignition wire to our new one. Just pull it straight off and put it on the new one. Install the ignition coil onto the spark plug. Push until you hear it seat or feel it seat. It'll be a click. If you pull, it shouldn't come right off. Install the top wire onto your coil. Repeat this process for all of the spark plug wires. We're going to slide the panel back into place. Slide it all the way in. And get your latches latched. Do the same thing on the corners. Install the latch, and then go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Install the cup holder assembly into place. Get all of your bolts started. Snug the bolts down. We're going to install this drop-out glove box. These tabs right here are going to seat into the bottom. Lay it flat and slide them in. Twist up and lock it in place. Make sure that this rubber stopper is hitting that latch. Install the trim piece. Line it up. And click it into place. Install the 2 bolts on bottom. Install the trim piece into place. Push and fully seat it. Install the 10mm bolts on bottom. We only have 1. If you have the one for the other side, go ahead and do that now.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.